Here to talk to you about the implementation of PantoneLIVE. Fantastic investment for Chesapeake Leicester. We've been able to reduce our colour variation now to broadly a delta of below 2. It's an absolutely fantastic result for Chesapeake, and through these processes we've been able to reduce our setup waste by approximately 50% and the time it takes to set our presses up by 33%. We had a fairly complex palette in the beginning, which consisted of more than 3,000 variants, and through a dramatic rationalisation and focus of colour control in the business, we reduced that to below 600 colours. This in itself generated very successful reduction in inventory in terms of inks. We've now been able to begin a rollout process across 7 or 8 sites, 5 or 6 geographical locations around Europe, America, and it's been a great success. And over the next 12 to 24 months, we're looking for a global rollout across 35 to 45 of our sites, generating 7-figure savings for the company. So to mention a few of the really successful toolkits that we've purchased both from ESCO and X-Rite. We use the Suite 12 engine within prepress and the colour engine within that to manage our palette and the colour supply chain through prepress. All colour measurements are done using a spectrophotometer from X-Rite, a SpectroEye, and we use the IQC software supplied by X-Rite to seamlessly link together those colour controls. We have a net profiler system to make sure that they're validated and controlled instruments from start to finish, and you'll see through our processes that they exist both in pre-press at colour conception, within ink manufacture, on the presses themselves to measure the output, and in final QC. We have a very live example of an historic issue with a particular high-profile customer within Leicester. They had a very exacting process in terms of colour, and to be fair, we had some issues supplying them regularly with good quality product that we were happy with. Through implementing PantoneLIVE, using the ESCO and X-Rite toolkit, we've been able to reduce their colour issues by more than 95%, making a dramatic improvement both with the relationship of the customer and the quality and shelf presence of their products. We're generating attractive ROI both for us and our customers in terms of shelf presence and return on investment. We no longer believe that checking by eye is a commercially acceptable way of doing business, and actually we're very, very happy in Chesapeake that we have a fully digitalized workflow where all colour is measured completely objectively using spectrophotometers compared to the master data held in the cloud on PantoneLIVE. 2 years ago when I joined Chesapeake, I came across a particularly frustrating colour situation within the company. Decisions were being made subjectively and inconsistently. It was almost impossible across a company of this size to make visual colour decisions accurate and achieve the customer's requirements. I'm very pleased now to be moved away from continual debate with customer and continual reorganisation of production plans to remanufacture packaging that didn't hit the specified standard or quality required. We have been able to return the investment within 1 year, and the main reason for this is a 33% reduction in make-ready time on our printing presses and a 50% reduction in the number of copies it takes us to achieve that on the press. This in itself, per annum, is creating capacity of more than 1 million copies.